me? Am I not audible?
Yes, sir, but I don't know what that place is, sir.
College Butwal. Okay, everyone, turn on the camera. Abigail, good morning. Simeon, good morning. Joshua, good morning. Good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning,
Where is
good morning,
Jehovah?
everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, we finished the graphs.
you finished the graph?
Yes, both the graphs.
Okay, then I give you one question on that again, and then we'll start. Okay?
Should we bring the graph paper?
Yes, yes, I told you that.
Okay.
I have a graph book, sir.
Sir, I don't have a graph paper. Mine
Why,
is,
Joshua?
I only have the last book. I finished that. I had the other one, but it's not finished. I need to buy another one.
Okay.
So even I have to buy the graph paper. I didn't get it yet.
You didn't get it? Why? Okay. So we'll start the class. Okay. I'll give you one question, the graph paper, and then we'll start the class. So, Abigail, can you hear me? Dr. Abigail?
Sir, you call me?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You
I can
change
hear
your
you very well.
position?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we were doing how to make a graph, and I was supposed to give one question based on this. So, can you make this graph for me, last, so that I will get to know that you're getting it or not. Ira, Adric, Abigail, Joshua, Jashran. Jashran is also joined. Avian. So, any problem in making graph? No? Then make it, quickly make it. Joshua?
I got the last.
You have problem in the last part.
Yeah, the calculation part.
Okay, so you want my help or you can do it by yourself right now?
Yeah, I think I need it.
You need help. So what type of help you need?
First, I'll draw the graph, then I'll tell.
Oh, you don't have to draw the graph first. First, you have to draw the boxes first.
Oh, yeah. The X and Y.
The X and Y. Then, what you have to do?
Yeah, that's the one I have problem.
Yeah, so like, what variable you choose?
I'll choose Y.
Yeah, which variable you want to choose?
So, Y.
Y. Choose X now because X doesn't have coefficient. So X is easy to solve it. You can choose Y too.
Okay.
So if you will
Okay,
choose
I'll choose.
X, so it will become 9 minus 2Y. Like this. Now you have to find the value of X by putting the value of Y. So choose any value of Y from 0 to 1. 0 to infinity. Any value.
Okay.
So choose. Choose it. Choose it and tell it to me.
So, 7.
7. You're choosing 7.
Yeah.
So if you will put the value as 7, it will become 9 into 7 like this. X equals to 9 minus 14. So x is equals to -5. So when you will take the value of y as 7, you will get the value of x as -5 like this. You have coordinates. Now you have to mark it on the graph. Can you do it now?
Okay. You need to do like
Yes,
that
Andrew.
for 3 more.
So
Yeah, 3 more times.
the y value.
Yes.
So if we take the y value of 7, it will become 9 minus 2 into 7. It is 9 minus 14 equal to -5.
Yes. Like this, you have to find 3 more coordinates to solve it. No, they have to उनको पहले रचना पड़ेगा. हर छेद में नहीं है दी. Yeah, done. Everyone.
I'm trying to do it.
What you do it, guys?
Okay, so okay, so I am. Okay. I'm preparing tables. One.
Okay. So now I'll request Jishnon. Jishnon? Jishnon? Can you hear me? Am I audible, Jishnon?
Yes, sir.
Can you mark one coordinate which you got in the on the graph?
How?
You can annotate.
Sorry, sorry, sir. Sir.
You're not able to annotate? Just click on the pencil button. Na? Click on the pencil button. You can annotate. Can you do it? Like Simeon did right now. Simeon, turn on the camera, please. Yeah, what point you got, Jishon? Just mark it. One coordinate you got. Like this, Simeon, mark another coordinate, please, that you got.
1 second.
Yeah. Ira, mark one coordinate that you get. Abigail, Adric, Petya,
Got it.
everyone.
Okay.
Mark one coordinate
Yes.
on the graph on the board right now.
Now itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any coordinate
Do it. I'll do it.
that
Sir.
you got. Only just put a point, huh? Don't do anything, this thing. Don't do this thing. Just mark coordinate. This black one is whose?
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
This black one is whose?
The black one is mine, sir. It's supposed to be 5 minus 1 5.
So it's not 5, it's 4.5. Put it.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, you got minus. Yes, do it again. Do it again. Please do it again. Yeah, this one is whose? This one is whose?
That's Ira's.
This one is Ira's.
The one underneath that, like the small red.
This,
Yeah.
this is yours.
Yes.
Okay.
So
This
the
one is
brown one
whose?
is mine. Brown one is mine. Brown one is mine.
Brown one is yours. This one is yours. What coordinate you got, beta?
3 m.
3 and just on, I guess your calculation is not good. We'll check it again. See, you take value of y as. Can you tell me what you took?
3.
You took value of y as 3.
3.
Yeah. So x is equals to 9 minus 6. X is equals to 3. So when you take y value as 3, you will get x value is also 3.
No, is that the
How you got 6?
that you were saying we had in
Sorry? Say it again, beta. Miguel. Your network is not good right now.
class that, sir.
Okay, so I got Edric one. Now don't annotate. I got Edric, I got Ira. Anybody else? Jashwan, Joshua, Simeon, please mark yours quickly.
Sir, I had already
Abigail,
marked me.
where is this? Where is yours? Where is yours, Simeon?
I think it went 1 second. I'm just marking it.
Yeah, marking it then. Jashwan, mark it. Where is yours? 3,3 you got right now. Mark 3,3.
Someone else has already marked that, sir.
Here's what I got.
So you do another one. Another coordinate you got, no?
I got this, sir.
Okay, this is yours, okay. Petya, mark yours, please.
I was cut off the class because I'm just doing the whole thing right now.
Too slow.
Sir,
Is it just, yes.
I
Yes,
got
Joshua.
minus 7 and 8. I got minus
Minus?
7 and 8. 7 and 8.
Minus 7, comma 8. Like this you're saying?
Yeah.
Minus 7, comma 8. So this is marked. Try another one.
Okay.
Try another one. This is whose? This one is whose? This one still is wrong, beta. What you took by the value of y in this? Can you tell me?
4.
You took value, y value is 4. So why you are taking here, this is x-axis, no? X-axis is 4 right now. It's wrong. You got coordinates. What coordinate you got? Can you tell me?
1 and
It's like 1 comma 4, na? Like this. So 1 is related to x. So on x-axis is 1 and y-axis is 4. So this is 4. So this is the coordinate. Your marking is wrong. Jashwan. Got it, Jashwan? No. The first is x. The second is y. Understood, Jashwan? Now, is there anybody is there in the class who didn't mark? Okay. So now I'll make a line, and this is the line. It's correct. Everyone got it? How you'll make a graph? Simeon, Abigail, Bethia, got it or not?
Got it.
Got it, sir.
got it, sir.
Got it. Good.
Easy.
Good. Good. Now we'll start the chapter. Write the chapter name. Chapter name is linear equation in variable. One variable. Okay, so we'll learn about linear equation in one variable. This is the name of the chapter. Okay, guys. Now everyone please pay attention. Linear equation in two variables.
One variable or two variable?
Two variables.
One variable.
Okay, everyone now fold your hand and listen to me, please. See, I told you what do you mean by linear equation. Do you have any idea what do you mean by
Yes, sir,
linear
yes, sir.
equation,
I know
guys?
it. I know it. Linear equation means
Yes.
the degree of the equation is 1.
Yes, we learn about degree of polynomial. We learn about this now. Now, what is degree of polynomial, Simeon? Simeon, what is degree of polynomial?
I know it.
No idea, Simeon? Simeon, do you have any idea about degree of polynomial?
Sir, I know it.
No, just don't know. What is degree of polynomial?
I know.
No,
I know.
I know. Yeah, I'll give everyone chance. No, Abigail, do you know what is degree of polynomial?
Yeah, sir.
What is that?
It's the highest value, highest power of the variable in a term.
Yes, what?
Like in a equation, there'll be many terms, and whichever term has the highest power of the variable, that's the degree of the polynomial.
Yeah, like for example, 2x plus 7y is equals to 9. Okay, so this is the term, and this is the term. Now, what is the maximum power of the variable?
1.
So, it means that this x will be 1. What is the maximum power of this variable?
1.
The y has maximum power is 1. So, the maximum power of the equation is 1. That is why the DOP is also called as 1. Understood? And if DOP means degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called as linear equation.
Linear equation. And then if
Okay.
the DOP is 2, then
If DOP, like the maximum power is 2, then it is called as quadratic. Yes, quadratic. Quad. Quad. Quadratic equation. Okay. If DOP is 3, then it is called as cubic equation.
If the DOP
If
is
DOP is
4,
4, it is called as
quartic.
quartic equation. So like this, there's a name of all the equations which we're gonna learn. Understood, everyone? Ira, did you understand? Abigail didn't understand anything. Abigail, what happened, beta?
I understood, sir. Sir, so a
Okay,
linear equation in one variable, in two variable, everything would be, the degree will be one.
different variables. Yeah, all the variables, even if 1,000 variables are there, the degree of the each term should be 1.
Sir,
Then it is called as uh, linear equation. Yes.
how can there be 1,000 variables? There can be maximum of 26 variables.
So there is, alpha, beta, gamma.
Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
So they have alpha, beta, gamma also. There are many variables are there. Okay, everyone. So now write it down. Write it down. You write down. Edric, you should write all the notes. Okay, I'll check your notes after the class. Okay, write all the notes. Black करना कल.
Sir, could you just give me 1 minute?
Yeah. Done? Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, now we will learn about linear equation. Okay. Okay. Now there are basically two types of linear equations are there. So linear equations are of two types. First is linear equations in one variable, and the second is
Linear equation in two variables.
linear equation in two variable. Okay, understood. So in one variable, it's gonna be look like this, like x plus 7 is equals to 9. So you can see that there is only one variable is used. It's called as linear equation in one variable. And 2x minus 9y is equals to 8. So you can see that there is two variable. That's why it's called as linear equation in two variable. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now, here, what is the value of x you will put so that you can get LHS equals to RHS, Aira? In this, what will you put the value of x so that you can get LHS equals to RHS?
Input 2.
2. So, any other number is there other than 2 so that you can get answer as 9? Any other number? Anybody has any other number?
No, sir.
No. So it means that linear equation in one variable has it has only one solution. One solution means only one, you can say only one solution or only one answer or only one value or only one root or only one zero. So basically these all are same thing. Yes, who say something? Abigail.
So we can also get 9 if we write minus 16, right?
Wait, where?
Like if x is minus 16, then also we can get. Oh, wait, we can't get it.
No, we can't. We can't.
We
We
can't
can't.
get
We
it.
can. We will get minus 9, no? Okay. And if I will take easy solution for you, x plus y is equals to. So, Abigail, can you tell me the value of x and y so that you can get LHS equals to RHS? Tell me.
1, 1 and 1.
1 and 1. So we have 1 and 1. So I will write 1 comma 1 like this. Any other values do you have,
0 and 2.
Abigail? Yes. 0 comma 2. Any other value you have, guys?
I have one more value.
Yeah.
2 comma 0.
2 comma 0. Yes. This one is saying minus 1 comma plus 3. So it means that there is infinite number of solutions. Did you understand, guys? There is infinite number of solution, or we can say answer, or we can say value, or we can say root, or we can say zeros. So whenever you will get like these, you will get that there is infinite number of solutions. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So write it down. Write it down. Everyone write it down. Okay, done. Shall I raise this, guys? Did you understand? Okay. Any problem, Ira? Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
No? Okay, I'm erasing this. Now we will learn solving linear equation
In how many variables? In one or two variables?
in one way. Okay, so if I will write x plus 5 is equals to 9. So what is the value of x,
4.
Ira?
4, sir.
Yeah. So how will you solve? You will send this plus 5 to the other side of the equals to, and you should know, guys, that the plus will become
Fine.
minus. So that's why you will get the value of actually 4. So whenever the plus side will go to the right side, it become minus. If you will get minus and it will go to the other side, you will get plus plus. If you will get multiply and if it will go to the other side, it becomes divide. And if you will take divide, it will go to equals to become multiply. Like this, you should know this thing. Okay. So if I will write x minus x divided by 2 is equals to 5. So Ira, what will you do?
It becomes multiplied. X multiplied by 2.
Yeah, it's 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Did you understand? Joshua, if I will write it like this, how will you solve? Joshua,
So
how will you solve? Joshua, the minus sign first it will go to the right hand side, it will become.
plus 9, right?
So what will become? 5 plus 9. So 2x equals to 14. X equals to 14 by 2. X equals to 10. Are you getting any disturbance from my side?
So easy.
Little disturbance?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, the previous chapter is one of the hardest chapters in math. This chapter is
Yeah.
one of the easiest chapters in math.
Okay, but everyone write it down.
Plus become minus, minus and plus.
Okay, done, everyone. Shall I raise this, guys? Joshua, Abigail, Simeon, everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, I'm raising this. Okay, so now you have this question, and everyone write it down the answer in the chat box to and explain. Let me see who will do the first. Quickly solve this in simplified form.
Got the answer.
Yes. Okay, good. Good entry. Very good entry. Yeah, done. Okay, done, guys. Shall I raise this? Everyone gave me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Ira correct, Abigail correct, Edric correct. Justin, please send it to me. Joshua, Simeon, your answers.
I'm doing it.
Did you send me? Okay, do this quickly. Ira, are you getting this? Joshua, turn on the camera. Ira, are you getting this?
Yes, I understand.
Joshua, I want answer from you now. Quickly solve it, beta.
Got the answer.
I got Edric correct. Abigail correct. Joshua, where you got stuck, beta? You have to tell me, beta. That's then only I will help you.
No, I didn't get this question.
Tell it to again. Tell it to me again, please.
No, I didn't understand. I didn't get this question.
You didn't
I,
get the first step. So
yeah,
now
I
can you
didn't.
check this? Now what will you do? What will you do in this question? Tell it to me.
Should we do the LSS and the R?
No, you have to like what is the main goal of finding the value is you have to put the y on the left hand side and rest all the numbers are there should go into right hand side. For example, this -3 will go right hand side. It will become
+3.
like this. You have to send one by one each number to the right hand side. Did you understand? So it will become like this. Did you understand?
Okay.
Now basically this the division form, na? X in division by 2. It will go to the right hand side and become multiply. Guys, you have to tell it to me. Then it is multiply, it will become divide like this. Each step matters. Guys, Simeon, you are very, what do you say? Uh, confused with the steps. Means you don't have to, you're not writing the steps. I need your steps, guys. Simeon, if you are writing it down, write all the steps. I will check it after this class. Okay,
Okay,
Simeon?
I'm writing.
Yeah, write all the steps. Your steps are not there. Even you send me the homework, The steps are not there. I will cut your marks. Okay. Now we'll do this question. Okay, we'll give you some homework. So this is your homework, guys. Please, Abigail, write it down in the group.
Yes, sir.
CYP 5.1, CYP 5.3. Hold.
How, how come you always give so much homework?
No, no, it only have five questions each, not more than that.
So
Hey,
CYP
Okay.
5.2.
5.2 is related to the word problem, which I will take it in the end. It's not there. Like word problem, I will teach you in another way. That is very helpful for you guys. So first we will do this algebraic or equation part, then we will do the word problem part.
Okay, so it's CYP 5.3.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
in CYP 5.1, is it tick the following? Like, should we just pick which of the following are linear equation and one variable, or we have
Yes.
to solve it?
Yes. You have to write yes or no, like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So this is your homework. You guys have 5 minutes break. Come back in science class. Then by Abigail. Abigail, we'll start. Today we'll start the chapter biology. We were doing which chapter we were going, guys? Just on.
chapter 10 physics, chapter 10 ocean.
We have completed that now.
Yes.
So we'll start today biology. So Abigail, do you want to be in the science class also?
Sir, actually, we're going out today. I'll just check with my mother and message you, sir.
Okay. So today we'll start the biology. So if you are okay with the class, then you can see the live class also. And if it
Chapter,
is not, then it's okay.
which chapter?
Okay.
Which chapter? Which chapter?
Chapter number 20. Let me check. Today we'll start chapter number, I guess, 22. And it's very big chapter.
That's life process nutrition.
Okay, chapter number 22. So you ask, and if you want to join, then you can join. Okay. Till then, bye, Simeon. Bye, Abigail. Guys, 4 minutes. Come back.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, everyone, come back. Come back, guys. Edric, Joshua, Jashron, Jehoan. Okay, can you see this? Yeah. Jehoan, good morning, Jehoan.
Good morning, sir.
I see you after a longest time. Okay. So Joshua is there. Everyone turn your camera, please. Okay. So now, what do you mean by nutrition? Okay. So I will ask this question from Ira. Ira, what do you mean by nutrition?
To like take like when you eat food, you get nutrition out of food, like energy from what you eat.
So is energy is all nutrition?
No, energy is nutrition. Like the food, like good stuff from the food is nutrition.
The stuff from the food is nutrition. Okay, good. Okay, so can anybody more clarify on nutrition? Like, for example, I'm eating a burger, McD, Maharaja. So, is any nutrition is there? You tell me, guys. Edric, what do you mean by nutrition, Edric?
Huh?
What do you mean by nutrition?
Nutrient means the substance that is present in food to give energy is called nutrient.
Hey, it's not about energy only. The substance that gives that helps our body for the growth and development. So it gives us energy also. It builds our muscles also. It helps us to protect from the disease also, like vitamins and minerals. So basically, nutrition is the part of a food which helps our body for the growth and development. Ira, did you understand? No, you didn't understand things.
Yes, I understood.
Ira, why did you understand things?
I understood.
Oh, then it's okay. Okay, so why do we need food? I will ask this question from Jashron. Jashron, why do we need food, beta? It's a very hard question.
To live,
Yeah,
to have the
to
energy
live.
to work and walk and do things.
Okay, correct. No problem in that. Correct. So basically, food is needed to like why do we need food? Food is needed so that um, our body can do normal routine work. Our body can fight against the disease also. Our body can fight disease for the growth and development. So the food do all the aspects of these categories. Like it will take all the categories that we used to do. If I'm speaking, it's all because of food. It's all because of nutrients in the food. If I'm able to move my hand, it's all because of food. So all the things is dependent on the food. So, for example, right now Joshua is not eating that much of food because there is a broccoli in the food, because there is a karela in the food, because there is a bitter gourd in the food. Uh, so just Joshua is not eating. That's why you can see Joshua is not that much hush push like me. Okay, hush push. You know, guys, what is the hush push? Hush push like healthy, wealthy like me. Okay, so we need food, guys. Okay. So these are very important question. They can ask you in 3 marks question, and you have to write all 3 points. Remember this thing, guys. if 3 marks questions is there, na, then in science you have to write it in 3 points. Remember this thing. If 5 marks question is there, then you have to explain your answer in 5 points. Then it will be easy to for the examiner to give the marks. The presentation matters a lot, and Abraham. Okay, like if your presentation is good, then you will get a good marks. Edric, are you with me or not? Or you're playing with the chair?
I'm with you, sir.
Ah, perfect. So, nutrition is very, very important. So, it provides energy to carry life processes. Like you are doing digestion, you are able to respire, you are taking breathe, your heart is pumping, circulatory system. All of these systems are dependent on the food because food gives the energy to do it. Did you understand? Yes.
Yeah, sir.
It helps in growth of the body and repairs the worn out damages. For example, do you guys have recent bruises or some wound? Do you guys have a recent? Anybody? Eh? Nobody.
No, sir. No.
Everybody walks carefully.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
basically, what happened? If you will check, yes, yeah. If you will check, it's this thing. It's little bit dark side. So what happened? I was traveling. I was riding a bicycle, and in bicycle, sudden I put a brake, and then uh, um, I got slipped on the roads. It was nearly about, I guess I was when I was in 11th class. So I saw that this whole skin got ruptured, and after some times it heals automatically. Okay, it heals automatically. Why? Because I'm eating their food. If you will see, those. Do you have any fractures? Do you have any fractures?
No.
Nobody. No, I had fractures. I was playing kabaddi, and in playing kabaddi, so I got the fracture in my right thumb. So what happened? In the right thumb, when I got fractures, doctor gave me one medicine. And do you know what medicine is that? That medicine was calcium. That means that doctor is giving, like he's telling me to drink milk. He's telling me to eat egg. He's telling me to drink those items which have a lot of calcium because I am getting calcium so that my bones can become strong at the fracture site. Understood, guys? No. So the body needs not food. Body needs nutrients which are inside the food. Did you understand, guys? I'm repeating again. Body doesn't need food. You're eating chapati, you're eating rice. Both you're getting carbohydrates. Body is very selfish. They need nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water. They need these items only. You are giving fats also. Now, fats are also good for the body, but it is also bad for the body also. If you are eating too much fat like me, you are becoming like me. Don't make me idle. Okay. So, fats, it's necessary also. For example, like we and Joshua went to a jungle. Okay. Now, because I have fats, I can survive a lot more than Joshua. Why? Because the fats burn to give me the energy. But like fats are like uh, more and more carbohydrates. Okay, so fats in that case is necessary, but I am not telling you to give place fat in your body. Okay, otherwise you will becoming like me. So what I'm trying to say, body only needs nutrients, not food. Okay, So can you read this, Ira, for me, please?
Nutrition is defined as a process by which living beings obtain food, change food, and simply absorb absorbable forms and use it to make substances needed by the body.
So nutrients is obtained from food. Body doesn't need food. Body needs nutrients. Oh my God.
That means you can survive
Okay.
without food, but you can't survive without nutrients.
Yes. If you are eating only burger, then body is not able to take the burger daily. Why? Because that burger has only fats. You're not getting protein. You're not getting carbohydrates. So every nutrient is important for the body. Understood? No.
Yes.
That's why all the nutrients in a food is called as balanced diet. Understood? What do you mean balanced diet? You're eating dal, chapati, roti, dal, roti, chawal, salad, one sabji. So this makes balanced diet because some has protein, some has carbohydrates, some has water, fats, vitamins, minerals, or fat. So everything is there in a food called as balanced diet. Understood?
That means, sir,
Yeah.
balanced diet means everything, means eating everything.
Yeah, everything in one nutrient. If you are eating only burger with the Coke and French fries, it doesn't have nutritious. It is not called as nutritious food. It is called as junk food, which gives junk to your body. Did you understand? Who loves pizza, burger?
Hmm.
No one loves. Only Edric loves. Joshua also loves. Hmm? Only every day, 7 days in a week, Mama, I need only pizza, burger. Then what Mama will do? Mama will be okay. This is pizza, this is burger, and this is sandwich. Huh? Is it like that? So never eat too much of this thing. Okay.
You,
So now we will learn about types of nutrition. There are two types of nutritions are there. Mode of nutritions are there. First is called as autotrophic nutrition. So Ira, what do you mean by autotrophic nutrition?
Sir, I don't know.
sir, I know.
Yeah. Yes, Edric. Tell me what do you mean autotrophic nutrition?
Sir, autotrophs means they'll prepare their own food by using raw material alone.
Like mama?
Huh?
Mama?
No.
So who make the food and foods?
The plants will make their own food. Use
Oh, okay. So
photosynthesis.
somebody like in my previous batch, they asked me, sir, plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and all. Mama is also making me like chapati and all. She's also preparing food. So is Mama is also autotrophic nutritious? I said no, 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 no. Okay, plant is making food and mama is making food. Mama is taking food from the plants like pulses, wheat, and then she is preparing it and she is giving it to us. Mama doesn't have autotrophic nutrition. All the animals are the heterotrophic. Okay, so auto means automatically, trophic means food. So when they make their own food with the help of raw materials, as Cedric said, this is called as autotrophic nutrition. And if they doesn't make their own food with the help of raw material, they are called as heterotrophic nutrition. So like me, I am dependent on the plants and animals for my nutrition, for my food. That's why I am called as heterotrophic nutrition. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, can you read this, Jashwan, please?
The green plants, algae, and certain bacteria manufacture their own food through photosynthesis. They are termed autotrophs, and their mode of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. They are the producers of the food chain, as all organisms depend for food on them.
Yeah. So basically, they prepare the food for everyone. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, the one, can you read the next part, please?
Heterotrophic nutrition. Heteros means different, trophos means food. The organisms which depend on other organisms for their food are called heterotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic
Yeah.
nutrition
So
of various types.
can eat their own food, but they are dependent on others. So, for example, cow. Can cow make their own food? No. Cow is dependent on plants for the food. Okay, plants are basically autotrophs because they can make their own food with the help of sunlight. They are not dependent on others for their food. Understood? Okay. So now holozoic mode of nutrition. So now holozoic mode of nutrition, basically it's a type of nutrition. Okay. Holozoic mode of nutrition. Okay, everyone please pay attention and write it down in the side of your copy, like here. You can write it down here. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, first listen, then write it down. In holozoic mode of nutrition, there is some steps is there. If animal follow this step, then it is considered as a holozoic mode of nutrition. So in holozoic mode of nutrition, the things is ingestion, sorry, ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, then excretion.
You missed one
So,
step, sir.
huh?
You missed one step.
It's not there in your book, that's why I didn't write it down. But in NCERT, it is there. It's called as assimilation. Okay, we'll not talk about this, otherwise you guys will confuse. But ingestion is taking food inside. This is called as ingestion. Digestion means the food which you took, it is going to be digested. Absorption is absorption is excretion. Can you hear me? Am I audible, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm there. I'm there.
Say ingestion is taking food inside. When you take food inside, is called as ingestion. When you digest the food, which is converting the complex substance into simple nutrient, is called as digestion. Okay. For example, the food has starch, like the rice has starch. So you are eating starch, and your stomach will try to the complex starch, like how the complex starch will look like. This is called as starch, complex starch. Now the body will not able to absorb this complex one. They will convert it into a simple starch like this so that the body can absorb. So this comes under the process called as digestion. The changing of complex nutrition into simple nutrition so that body can absorb. The third step can be done. Understood, guys? Jahoan, any problem? No problem, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Now excretion. Excretion is the process of removal of waste products. Those, like for example, can you give me the example of one excretion that you're doing every day? Removal of the waste product every morning. Second, carbon dioxide is also called as excretion. Like you are taking in oxygen and you are removing carbon dioxide. So that is also comes under the excretion process. Did you understand? So removal of carbon dioxide also comes as excretion process. So this is all the step which is done. It comes under the holozoic mode of nutrition. So if an organism is doing all these steps, then it is called as holozoic mode of nutrition. Holozoic animal. Understood, guys? Write it down quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes. Joshua didn't understand anything. Joshua, why?
Understood, sir.
Edric, are you writing? No.
I already finished writing.
Good. Quickly, Aaron, quickly. Done with the writing, guys? Ira, shall I raise this?
Yes, I finished writing.
Yeah. So now, Edric, please read this.
Parasitic game.
Hmm.
Parasitic nutrition. Have you ever been bitten by a head louse or a bed bug or had worms inside the body? These organisms that live on or inside other living organisms and derive their food from them are called parasites, and the nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Cascata or dodder plant, Amar bale, is a parasite on green plants.
Please listen. Good. You are reading, you are a very fast reader. Good. So, like for example, mutual fund. In mutual fund in the
Investment is subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.
yeah, like this only they used to say. Good. So what I'm trying to say, parasitic mode of nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which, like for example, do you know what we say? Nice or mice? Nice, I guess nice. Those we have on the head
Sir,
and then my to and to like basically. Yeah,
in the first chapter, the lice was there. In the first chapter of science, it was called,
yeah.
the
Nice.
egg of the lice was called as liksha.
Yes, good. So the lice is there, and the lice is basically called as parasitic mode of nutrition. What lice used to do? Lice just be there on your head. He like the lice suck the nutrition. Like lice is not eating it. Lice is not chewing the it, but it's directly suck the nutrition from your body. It's not digesting it also. Okay, so this is called as what? Parasitic mode of nutrition. Understood, Ira? Ira didn't understand anything. Ira, please ask me. Please, please.
I understood. I understood, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, saprotrophic mode of nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which, like, they are called as saprotrophs. Saprotrophs. Can you read this, Ira?
Saprotrophic nutrition. You must have seen white cottony growth developing on your wet leather shoes or belts, especially when they get wet during rainy days. This is a fungus. The fungus grows and feeds on substances which were once part of the living organisms, such as stored food, wood, leather, and rotten plant products. Some common examples are mushroom, bread mold, yeast, etc. Organisms that derive their food from dead and decaying organisms are called spectrotrophs.
So, see, you will check. I'll give you one example of saprotrophs. So, what happened? There was a cow. Okay, so basically, there's a like we have highway in front of our colony. Okay, so for reducing the distance, there's a bridge, and inside the bridge we used to go. And that bridge is not fully road, but it's normally just for the going for the motorcycles and all. Okay. Now in that bridge, there was some accident, and they put that cow in that inside the like below the bridge. Now when they put, so I saw like first day the cow is there, second day the cow is there, that cow is there. The third day the cow is there, but the cow is not able to like it's got swollen up. The fourth day the cow is there, but now the cow is swollen up and I can see a hole in the stomach. Fourth day, fifth day, seventh day. After 3 weeks, I just saw the skull of the cow. There is no wolves, there is no dogs is there. Okay, so what does this means that the there is small organisms are there which is called as saprotroph. They depend on the dead and decaying. Like you will see the smell is also there. Why the smell is also there? Because these organisms are there. These are called microorganisms, they are called as fungus, and they are in the atmosphere. If you will put a bread, they will come on the bread and they will make the bread spoil. Why? Because they are in the atmosphere. So whenever dead decaying animal is there, so they will put and they will make that thing spoil. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So they are called as saprotrophs. Did you understand, guys? No, but anybody has any issue? Jehovan has an issue. Jehovan, please tell me what is tissue?
No issue, sir.
Okay, no issue. Okay, so we did it till here. Now your homework. Your homework is syntax version 22.1. Only 5%. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
So we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Sayonara.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.